What is meant by fermentation? Fermentation literally means a chemical change accompanied by effervescence. The anaerobic breakdown of glucose to carbon dioxide and ethanol is a form of respiration referred to as fermentation. It is normally carried by yeast cells and account for the production of alcohol in alcoholic beverages. In fermentation process, if glucose is converted into ethanol, then it is called ethanolic fermentation. Glucose in the presence of yeast forms ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Glucose in the presence of Bacillus acidilacti forms lactic acid plus energy. When glucose is converted into organic acids such as lactic acid, then this type of fermentation is known as lactic acid fermentation. It is carried out by the bacterium Bacillus acidilacti.